Class 7, good morning. This is your science class. We are going to start a new chapter, unit number 10, sound waves. In this lecture, we will read page 128 to page 131. How sound is produced? Sound is made when something vibrates. What is vibration? Vibration is defined as the rapid back and forth movement of a body about a central position. So sound is vibration that is capable of being heard. All musical instruments and sound sources have parts that vibrate. In diagram you are seeing when a drummer hits the drum, its skin vibrates up and down. In a guitar, it is the strings which vibrate. When someone talks or sings, the vocal cords vibrate. How sound travels? Sound travels in the form of wave from the source of vibration which produces it. Sound spread out or move in the medium the same way as the ripple produced in water when a stone is thrown into it. Throw a pebble in a pond and watch the ripple spread outward. The impact of the pebble on water results in waves. Waves are produced in water surface. Similarly, vibration causes sound wave in the air to travel forward. Sound waves are invisible. We cannot see them. We hear a sound when these waves strike our ears. The vibration of our vocal cord produces sound waves. The air passing through the vocal cord pushes these waves forward. The ripple of waves on the surface of water are caused by the vibration of water molecules. Similarly, sound waves travel in the air through vibration of air particles. The vibration occurs when any object is struck. This causes the air molecule to move. They continuously bump into each other. Our ear picks them up and we hear them as a sound. In first diagram, water waves are shown. These are produced when you throw a stone in the pond. In second diagram, I show the motion of air molecule, how sound wave move. Wave. Irregular back and forth movement is called oscillation. Oscillation can be used to make waves. For example, if one end of rope is tied to a fixed object and other end is moved from side to side, a wave can be seen moving along the rope, as you have shown in the diagram. Waves transfer energy from one place to another. When we shake the rope, we put energy into it. The energy is moving with the waves. Waves are of two types, transfer waves and longitudinal waves. Transfer waves. Transfer waves are produced when oscillation is from side to side at right angle to the direction in which waves travel. The particle of medium vibrates perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation in the transfer wave. Light waves, water waves, magnetic waves and radio waves are examples of transfer waves. In transfer wave, students, the particle of medium vibrate करते हैं perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. जिस मीडियम में वेव्स पैदा हो रही हैं उसके पार्टिकल की मूवमेंट जो होगी वो परपेंडिकुलर होगी वेव की डायरेक्शन के. इन दोनों के दरमियान 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा. लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव. The waves produced by backward and forward movement of a long spring or metal coil are called longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves are the back and forth movement of spring produce alternative two types of region. First region is compression region, presses region, and second is rarefaction, stretches region. These regions can be denoted by compression region is denoted by C and rarefaction region is denoted by R. The waves on a spring and sound waves are longitudinal waves. In longitudinal waves, the particle of medium vibrates parallel to the direction of wave propagation. अब मीडियम्स के जो पार्टिकल हैं जिसमें वेव्स पैदा हो रही हैं उनकी डायरेक्शन बिल्कुल वेव की प्रोपगेशन के पैरेलल होती है. इस वाले से ये ऑपोजिट हैं ट्रांसफर वेव्स के. साउंड वेव जो है आर लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव. Characteristics of waves. The waves are characteristic by three quantities: amplitude, frequency, and speed. Two more further important characteristics of sound waves are pitch and loudness. To and from movement of waves is called oscillation. The time taken for one complete oscillation is called its time period. Students, there is your home task. Do reading page number 128 to page number 131 and learn definition of transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Thanks.